How to fix too many attempts. Please try again later on Telegram. Hey guys, in this video, we're going to show you how to fix too many attempts. Please try again later on Telegram. Sometimes on Telegram, you may see the error, too many attempts. Please try again later. This usually happens if you've tried logging in multiple times with the wrong code, or if you repeatedly request the verification codes in a short time. Telegram blocks these attempts for security reasons, to stop spam or suspicious activity. The wait time can range from a few minutes to even a day, depending on how many times you tried. But there's a simple trick you can use to fix this and get back into your account faster. First, hold your Telegram app icon on your phone and tap on the delete option. Now uninstall the app completely from your device. After that, open the settings on your phone. Here, use the search bar and type clone. Now tap on App Clone from the results. In the list of apps, find Telegram and turn the toggle on to create a cloned version of the app. Once done, go back and open the cloned Telegram app on your phone. Here, tap on Start Messaging to begin. Now tap on Continue. Next, choose your country from the list, then enter your phone number. After that, tap on the arrow icon to proceed. Here you will see a message asking to confirm your number. Tap on Yes, this is the correct number. Now tap on Continue. Finally, when Telegram asks for permission, tap on Allow to give access to your phone call logs. This way, you can log back into Telegram without seeing the too many attempts. Please try again later error. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.